Hello everyone, I'm Paul, and today I'm going to try out my new snowblower. It's not a brand new one, it's a second-hand one that I picked up. It is a Kubota snowblower. What I've done so far is I adjusted the dry shaft, I greased it up, and I cut it to length. And in addition to that, I've got it all squared up, at least I think I do, and level. So this is going to be my very first time using a snowblower on a tractor. I always used a plow, box blades, and rear blades on the tractor before, never a snowblower, so this is a new experience for me. You can see here there's not much snow, just a few inches, but I'm pretty excited to see if I've got it all set up properly for when I do get some snow. This is packed down, so I'm just going to scrape a little bit on the top of the fluffy stuff. So let's get it done, guys. Well guys, that's my very first experience in using a snowblower on the tractor, so that was kind of fun. Only thing is there wasn't enough snow to really get it to throw very good, but it definitely seems like it's set up. I'm going to review the video we just recorded here to see how well it's throwing and make sure that it's balanced properly. The only one thing, I didn't have the tractor in four-wheel drive, so I did slide a little bit. I need to put in four-wheel drive when I'm doing this. It has a good base here already. I had packed it down with the truck, So I only threw a few stones that were there, so I'm not going to end up breaking a pin or anything like that. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a quick test for me. It's an exciting thing for me to try out. So many of you guys out there have a snowblower, whether it's on the front or inverse snowblower. And once again, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Gelling Outdoors.